Hi guys, Ayubowan, Vanakkam. Welcome to another vlog post by VF. We've been a little quiet over the last few weeks. I'm here to show you why we were quiet and what we've been up to in that time. I'm happy to announce that VF has purchased our own land. We purchased 2 acres of property near the Vatrapalai temple. We just bought it, so it's still very much kind of a bushland. It's complete wilderness here. One of the reasons I'm showing you just how wild it is with the thorny bushes and the plants and all that is because I'm looking to track the progress that this land is going to make. This land is going to form the basis of VF, the basis for the institute, and this is really where all the progress that we have in our head right now, the dreams that we have for our country, is going to be executed. Over the next few months, the Vatrapalai temple, which is actually just a mile away from here, will have one of the largest temple festivals in northern Sri Lanka. Because the festival didn't happen last year, this year's festival is going to be attended by many people, many different cultures from all over Sri Lanka, and in some cases even abroad. So we are looking to use that as the springboard for some of our artists and some of our creators. Before even the institute building is launched, we will actually have an exhibition space in this area. We've bought, like I said, about 2 acres. So there's a lot of space for many different types of artists, from sculptors to dancers to street performers, to come here and showcase their talents. Not just the talents from Vatrapalai, but talents from all over Sri Lanka. We'll have students from the deep south, students from central provinces, students from the eastern province. They will all come here and they will have a chance not just to exhibit, but also to discuss their art. Also to collaborate with other artists here. And that really is one of our primary goals. We'll also have showcases and exhibitions for the ancient arts, for the arts that we are trying to revive. The short films that our students have made will be showcased here. We are looking at a very old school setup, almost like what they used to call a tent kota setup, which is the earliest exhibition spaces were always these makeshift huts. So we are planning to do something like that, where our students' films can be exhibited in like the most original way possible, while also explaining to people what the history of cinema is and the history of cinema exhibition is. Because ultimately we are going to have state-of-the-art facilities here. So for us, we would like to have some kind of an impression of how cinema used to be, while we take it to where we think cinema should be. This land is something that is very, very special to me. It was really difficult for us to lock this down. Without the help of organizations like the Social Architects, this wouldn't have been possible. With the Vatrapalai temple themselves, the Amman temple themselves have been very helpful in our endeavors. And really, it's because of the support of all our students who gave us the encouragement, who told us that something would come out of it if we would do something like this. Without any of that, this wouldn't have been possible.